All right, guys, welcome. My name is Derek, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create awesome custom graphics for your business for free. Let's jump into it. This tool, this software that we're going to be able to do this, accomplish this on for our business is called Canva. It is free to use. If you've never heard about it, it is very popular, and I've used it for years and I love it, and it has made a world of difference for my business and setting myself apart. And it's going to be able to do the same for you without having to pay a graphics guy or a graphic artist or go on Fiverr and have them do all that. You can literally build stuff in a matter of minutes. So just go and get signed up for the free plan. I'm going to show you something that I use the pro plan for. You don't have to buy it for the whole year. It's $12 if you want to use the pro plan. I like the background remover to be able to just remove it right in there and to be able to schedule my social media content from here. So if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how to do that part just as a bonus. I'm going to show you in this video how to build a just listed graphic. If you just got a listing and you want it to look really good, or maybe you're going to run a Facebook ad for it or something like that, we're actually going to build this in this video right here, right now. So once you signed up, you'll have the home part of Canva, and where it'll show you some things that you can start creating. As you have designs, you will have designs that'll show in your designs. So we're going to go in here and create a design, and then we're going to click Instagram post. Even if you're posting this to Facebook, Instagram is fine. And we are going to go to templates right at the top. And that's going to, this one just happens to pull up. This is actually black minimalist interior. I like it. Again, you can use anything. You can go in here and type real estate. Okay. And you can get a real estate flyer or a real estate post, right? Something like that. There's tons of templates. I liked the style of this one. The first thing we're going to do is click the delete button. We're going to click on this picture, and we're going to go ahead and delete this and delete that. And I just simply am going to move this over. You can click on these images. And again, just like this, you can have logos in here if you need them, but I always feel like less but better, right? So looks like we're gonna have to make this. There we go. Just wasn't quite big enough. Now again, you can see right here that this actually is left side. So what we're going to do is we're going to go straight up here and we're going to click it to center. Now you could make this right side or just what's called justified. It's alignment. I want to align it to center is all that I want to make sure. And I want to move it to the top, and I like to move it around until I see that pink line so that I know it's in the middle. You can certainly use this text. We don't need to. We're not marketing anything 50% off. Maybe I'll put my real estate company right in there or something like that. You can do that. But the main thing I'm going to do here is you can see this button is actually the words and the box. So what I'm going to do here is, in order to move it, I'm going to scroll over both of them. So now it's done something called group. Now you can click group and it is all one place. You can move it anywhere you want, right? And then I can ungroup it to change the words and change the box size, stuff like that. So we're gonna do that. But before we do that, we're gonna go to these elements right here, and we're gonna click something called grids. I'm gonna have to move myself over. We're going to click grids all the way down here. And I like to use a 3 or a 4 frame grid with a big image on the top and some smaller images on the bottom. So let's see if I can find, I've got that 3. Again, like I said, I like this one right here. So I'm going to just click that and it will show up on the whole page. Problem here is it's taking up the entire page. So what I like to do is just bring that down to there. Again, we can, and then I'm going to make sure that these are in the front. So I'm going to position, I'm going to click position and go, whoops, backward. Okay, so this one's in the front. And then this one we can just click off. Maybe that's too much. So just like that. And then we're just simply going to load, we would load up, upload some media, upload some images, which you can just click here, and whatever images on the pictures that you have, you can load. And I actually have mine already here. We'll just grab, let me move myself over, grab some of these, go back a little ways here. Right, and grab this bed here. We can move this. Grab, so it will auto size the pictures. Oh, we just did that one. To what you're using. Sure, just use that, right? So right there, you can do that. So obviously we don't want this to say new interior. We want it to be just listed. This obviously doesn't stand out, but you could do something like this. And I like to have stuff sometimes close to the background color. Just kind of a subtle thing that you can do. And again, what's cool about this is you can go in here and you can edit this image. You can change the brightness of it, right? You can make it less or more. You can change the contrast of the home. So all kinds of cool stuff. The saturation, bring those colors up, right? So you could do something like that. And that just, is a great way to edit it very quickly. And just like that, obviously, yeah, bye now. So I'm going to do this, something that I call, it's called locking the image. So we're going to click our grid here and we're just going to click lock. I'm going to delete this for now. And then I'm going to hover over both of these and it kind of regroups them. And I'm going to make it a little bigger. And maybe I'm going to type schedule a showing, right? And I'm going to drag the box out and make the text smaller. And just like that. Wham bam, right? Maybe make it a little smaller there. So just like that, instead of paying $50, $60 to a graphic artist, I've gone in and literally made my own just listed. The cool thing here is you can build all kinds of things. You can build business cards on here. You can build t-shirts for your business. Canva literally will do everything. Now, if you're still here and you're watching, I want to show you this real quick thing. Back at the home, if you have the pro version, you can actually do what's called a content planner. So you can click this, and if you build content, if maybe you wanted to do a post on your social media sites every single day, or maybe every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, right? So you can literally click this button with this content planner that Canva provides you. You can click this button and you can grab that just listed, and you can select the channels that you have connected. You can connect your Facebook, you can connect your Instagram, you can connect your all your different channels here to post stuff to. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to go to the Facebook page here. Sure, that one works. And you can type, check out this listing, right? And whatever you want to put in there, use more than that. And then you can literally schedule this post for January 3rd at, that time. Or if you want to change it, because we're doing the Tuesdays, and you want to change the time, right? Maybe you want it to post at 9:45 a.m. in the morning. Done. And then hit schedule post. And then you're all set. That's all you have to do. In a matter of maybe an hour, post tons of different images that you've uploaded or made, and schedule them throughout the month for your social media on multiple platform channels. So that's one of the cool things about about Canva for social media management. But I hope this was helpful for you. So maybe consider subscribing, like the video if you got some value from it, and check the links below. I've usually got resources for you guys. Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of videos just like this that are coming to this channel. So see you guys in the next one.